Distinguished guests, good morning, good day to one and all. My name is Wayne and I'm a husband, a dad, and a nurse. I came here to Ireland in 2006, almost 20 years now, to work as a nurse in the Mater Hospital. In the year 2024, years ago, when I was diagnosed with a very rare form of an autoimmune disease named as immune-mediated necrotizing myopathy due to exposure from taking cholesterol medications, my body muscles from elbows to shoulders, from my knees to my tummy, and my chest weakens day by day, causing me not to stand, to climb upstairs, not even to lift and reach stuff from heights. It was like a brain injury or stroke. I was initially hospitalized in the Mater Hospital, had scans, muscle biopsy, blood tests, and series of infusions and high dose of steroids. But my full recovery happened when I was transferred here to Clontarf Hospital. In September 2024, when my doctors referred me here to Clontarf for a prolonged rehab, since I know medications alone will not bring my strength back, I need to build it up. I was welcomed here with an open arm. Churi gave me a hand. They assured me that I am at the right place. So I trusted the process. My physiotherapist, after seeing me, told me to only do the prescribed exercises she gave me and never ever be a Superman by experimenting to jump up, stand, or walk. The nurses and healthcare assistants truly understood my plight and patiently looked after me. The doctors even sat down and spoke to me thoroughly, ensuring that we are on the same page. I even took their advice as well from refraining on doing internet searches about my condition, as a nurse, as it may add only to the stress at hand. The first time I came down here to the physio gym, I was hoisted to a wheelchair from Black Hip Ward, with the porter positioned me facing that wall with the images and words, strength, resilience, and wellness. With that, I came to my senses that I have to do my part in building my strength back. It motivated me to comply and sweat literally during an hour session. The occupational therapist taught me how to transfer out and sit again on the chair, up to do my own cup of tea and even cooking meal for myself. She even referred me to vocational rehab that gave me pointers and vision on what else I can do and be after this. The department also helped me to go back into driving through the referral they made to the Irish Wheelchair Association. Unfortunately, I did not get the sticker for the wheelchair department. Okay? During the period of my rehab, since I'm out of work and I'm the only one working for my wife and son, the social worker, without hesitation, placed herself in my shoes and facilitated things for us. The care planning meetings we had aiming for my discharge, attended by the multidisciplinary team, really and truly achieved the SMART goals we set. The chaplaincy services kept my faith, attending Mass every Monday. Our Friday wellness and relaxation and socialization with other patients made me realize I am not alone on this journey. It inspired me and made me more resilient and focused. November of 2024, I celebrated my 49th birthday here. I felt the change and my ability to do more exercises. During one of the gym sessions, my physio told me that she can now throw any exercises on me. I can now sit and stand with aids, not hoisted anymore. Able to carry 3 to 5 kilograms of weights and shopping bag exercises. Walking distances on even and uneven grounds, and climbing up the stairs and down the stairs. The occupational therapist even organized a day out for me to go for cinema, to go out, propel myself on a wheelchair, and little by little engage back into community life. Christmas time, I was given overnight hours out with my family and it went well. Then after New Year, I welcomed it with the goal in mind of getting better and well again. I was discharged here 25th of January 2025. Continued with my exercises from then on with series of appointments and clinics. I am happy to announce, to report to you that I am back to work as a nurse in the Fairview unit, which is part of the Matra Hospital. And I am working full-time, 12-hour shifts. From being a nurse to the one being nurse. Sorry. I am forever grateful for all the services Clontarf Hospital gave me. It means a lot. Never will I forget, because you were all there for me at the right place and at the right time. Keep up the good works and congratulations on your 150 years. Thank you.